walked with us to Dunkin'. We got a drink. Bri's got a drink. And we walked on this beautiful day to Dunkin'. Alright guys, so we are leaving Dunkin'. Woo! This is the Dunkin' that you always see me. The drive-through. I think I walked here once before. So it's really close to our house. It's like right down there. Freddie is going. Freddie had a really tough night. Last night at the vet, she's on an antibiotic. She's on a painkiller for her back left leg, and she's on powder on her food for her stomach problem. You want to smell the plant? Alright, smell the plant. Probably another dog went to the bathroom there. So I will warn you guys that I can't see what I'm filming. So I'm doing the best I can because the sun is so bright. That is Route 70 right there that we're always at. And this is Dollar Tree and the shopping center that you always see us at too. It's Renaissance Square. So me and Brian keep switching with the dog, just like in Philly, back and forth. And we're going to the bathroom again, even though we just went. So we ended up eating there. It was really nice and really cool. But now we gotta walk home. And I have no tape left. Shocker. So, I don't know. Happy 4th of July, guys. There was a parade and everything that was going on straight up here, and they had the road closed. You could still see some cones and stuff, but that whole road was closed off. And we went up there to check it out. Oh, there's the chair that's Freddie's scared of. And so anyway, we went there to check it out. We brought the dog. She had a rough night and she really wanted to come. So now we are heading back to the house. Now that we had breakfast or lunch, whatever you want to call it. And it is a hot one in New Jersey today. Again. Are you going to be okay on the grass with her like this?
Yeah.
So right here is the house that I was telling you about that should be abandoned. But I don't know. They have this, but they have an X. See how they have an X right there? It normally means it's abandoned because it's unsafe. That car is going fast. What does that sign say? Infections is she can't be rolling around Frederica. Yeah, but I'm glad you two had fun with that while I wasn't looking. Alright guys, so this is the road that was closed off. You can still see the cones. Alright, so we're gonna head home now. This is the cookie shop that I always complain about with the parking. Right here. Their cookies are like $100 and they're not even good. Oh my god. Catch you at the house. Hey guys, it's me interrupting my own video. So anyway, I'd like to pull your attention away from the video and check out this very perfect shirt of mine made by me. Okay? It says I like dogs better than people. And it's a picture of Freddie. So, as you can see, it's adorable. And I'm going to put the link below of where you can buy it. Or if you want, you get stickers, mugs, bags, pants, baby stuff, men's, women's, anything you want. I have, this is actually a men's shirt, extra large, and I have the kind that has the two different colors, but they have like everything. And you can get this design or many of my others, which I will also feature at different times. I have shown them in the past, and they're really cute, and I think you should check the link out. Okay, back to our show. Bri, is that you? Bri? Look, I found the fireworks. Get my chips. Did you get my chips? I didn't boil the water yet. I ended up coming out here. If you go inside, check on Freddie. She's hiding somewhere. She was in the family room. Fireworks at our very front door. Our very own front door. 2024. I don't know if these are the ones from that we were supposed to go to in Savage Field. I'm getting a really good view of them. There's just one tree blocking it. There's also fireworks going on to the right of me and behind me. And I know the field is definitely either right there or over here. The ones behind your neighbors. I know where the field is. That's so red. So I found a new place where they're doing the fireworks, and I can record or see them from here. They did move them. They used to be farther to my right. But what's strange is they always played music, and I could hear the music when it was over on the right. So I don't know if these are farther, but these aren't blocked by a tree. The others were. All the other years I could only see like little bits and pieces. This I could see most of. Of course I didn't tape the whole thing, so. I'm trying to catch the finale for you guys. I'm on my phone, so I have no idea what time it is. I'm definitely not alone out here. But it might be animals. Don't know. Freddie, time to watch TV. Watch your nighttime shows. Alright guys, so we lost our air conditioning, so we have to wait till Monday. It's Saturday now for them to come. So we're hitting the pool. We've got Frederica with us. Say hi, Freddie. She's all bandaged up and she took her antibiotic and her stomach meds today. I still have to give her her pain med for her left leg. Right now she's walking on her own. Got Bri there over on the chair. You kind of see him. He has a drink and a leg, you could see. And me, well, I just spilled hot boiling coffee all over me from Dunkin'. Got a lovely lecture from my mother. And we have nowhere to stay tonight, but we're thinking of just roughing it out of the house because there's a storm coming, so hopefully it'll cool off. This water is like bath water. I mean, it's a beautiful pool. It's just been a horrible day, that's all. Alright guys, time to swim. Okay, so poor Freddie, my dog, is under the weather. She's taking this for her stomach. $45. People meds are so much cheaper, but it's packets that I sprinkle on her food. This is her antibiotic, half a tablet a day till it's finished. I trick her with peanut butter, and then these are her pain pills, half a tablet once a day. She also had to get her what's it called, the heart guard. I already gave it to her, she likes it. And then I have to put this on the back of her neck like I do every summer. Just bad timing because she's got a lot going on. So I'll show you the setup of how we're sleeping with the air condition pretty much broke. So we have some air. I put this fan here. It's helping a lot. Brad's already asleep. This will be my spot. I'm trying to put as much on my back as I can to help. And there's poor Freddie. She lost her one band-aid. You can kind of see where the fur's gone. But then she still has, this was the one that got infected. This was the second one that got infected. But the poor thing's really going through it. She lost the other band-aid though, and she was running around playing at my parents' house when she was supposed to be cooling down. This little one's been coming out a lot. She tore a cage apart. Again. Ignore the mess. I just went swimming. It's pretty bad. I totally have chlorine in my hair, but it's okay. So I'm putting away the dishes. We made rice today. Trying not to heat up the house too much. So yeah, that's why my rings are off. I don't want to get them all chlorine-y. I know I probably shouldn't have done that with this hair being this color, but whatever. So yeah, it's midnight. I'm trying to get onto a better schedule, but I'm not. And now this heat is killing me. It's like over 100 right now. I don't have my necklaces or anything. Alright, so it's like been over 100, and so the air conditioning guy is coming Monday. It's Saturday. We're getting some air. It's so weird. I don't even know. And so yeah, so I went swimming. So that was I made a tape of it to show you guys the in-ground pool. It was beautiful. It was very warm. Like, it wasn't really cooling me down, but neither was this house. So want to keep this short. So and I taped a few fireworks the other night and some things that we've been doing because we've been busy. And then we were cleaning the house last night, and then I have doctor's appointments Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I just heard about this other girl that got disability because she's on drugs, and here I am still suffering and can't get disability. So thanks, state of New Jersey. You're doing a great job taking care of your people. Alright guys, I am going to I guess start getting ready for bed. Hopefully I'll go to sleep at a decent time, but I doubt it. We'll see. So guys, I organized some of my pills. This is one whole thing of one medicine, and same with this one. I'm trying to make things a little bit easier. It's really dark in here because we can't use power other than this because of the heat, and they're not working. And then I got things like this to put that's my nighttime meds. Well, not all of them. And then I'm using this one for morning meds, and then pain stuff right there. Frederica is taking a nap. I don't know what that one's doing. It looks like a dead zombie. We've got a fan going. Tiny is sitting in there. I don't know if you can see her, but she has to get her cage cleaned. This just does not go down. It's now up the... Wait, let me take the light off, because I don't think you can see it. So, it's now up to 77, and it's set at 72. So, it just keeps getting higher. We have to eat, so I'm making mac and cheese. So, 2% milk, 4 of butter, and then some ShopRite bowl in a basket. Oh, and of course, cheese packet. So yeah, this is really tough. I am going to my parents to swim tonight, but this is kind of crazy, and this is the only meal we could really make because it doesn't have as much heat in the house. So wish us luck. They're coming tomorrow.